It's been dark way too long in this place. That bright smile long gone been replaced. From ear to ear I see that fear in your face. Tell me when the last time you felt safe, cause there's some evil people in the streets. Evil at your front door, creeping while you sleep. It's time to raise up, show that evil we ain't weak. We don't turn the other cheek, I can show you how to be strong. Come on, follow me. Heard you looking for a hero. Well, look up. No more running from the bad guy. I'ma stare him in the eye like, what's up? I know the journey got hard for a minute, but I ain't giving this up. Yeah, I got the heart of a champion. If I get knocked down, I get back up. We go through bad days, hard times, low pay, high crime, pathways to a life without sunshine. I'm the lifeline.
Hello, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is October 21st, 2025. A lot going on. I did trade today. I'm a little frustrated that I wasn't able to trade all of my accounts. I have 3 accounts that are in payout request limbo. That's right. They're in payout request limbo. I requested payouts last week, and because I continued to on these 3 accounts, continue to roll them into the next day and continue to request payouts over and over and over again, the system apparently was overwhelmed on my account. I don't know if that's throughout all the accounts, but again, my account. So I'm sitting here waiting. I didn't trade those 3 accounts yesterday. I did not trade them today because I don't want to keep stacking money on these accounts and then not get paid or create even more havoc within the system. TPT is working on it, and unfortunately, I'm not going to trade those accounts because all I want is my payouts. I want my requests to go through. I don't want any headaches. All I want to do is trade. I'm a trader. I understand the market, and that's simply what I'm trying to do. Thank you for Take Profit Trader to continue to look into this matter. They did agree. They did adjust some things and agree and realize what's going on. What we see on my Quant Tower and what I see on Rhythmic, those numbers do not match my dashboard for some unknown reason. Therefore, I cannot withdraw the money. But let's get into today. Today, I did well trading with what I had. As you can see here at the top, I've got 4 pro accounts at the top. The first 3 I did not trade. You can see I have a total of 3,470 on the first one. The second one I have 2,455. And the third one I have $3,910. All I want to do is basically take those profits and reduce it down to the $2,000 buffer. So the first account I would have $1,470 that's due to me, the second account $455 that's due to me, and the third account ending in 9333 I would have $1,910 due to me. It is still due to me. It was due to me from last week, Thursday and Friday. So this is what I'm dealing with right now, and like I said, it's a little frustrating for me, and it's something that I don't need to concentrate on. I just want to focus on trading. Let's move down to the 4th pro account ending in 7086. Today's profit was $2,545. Again, today's profit was $2,545 for that account, and the 3 TPT accounts, 390, 430, and 415. I did not have much time to trade today. I have other things going on. Again, let's go ahead and check out Rhythmic. Here's the Rhythmic accounts right here. As you can see, Take Profit Trader on the bottom was 2,670 today minus the fees, and then 425, 445, and 465. As you can see on the right down here, these last 3 pro accounts, starting from the bottom, is 52,455. The top one, 53,470, and the next one, 53,910. All I want to do is take that money out, and I've been requesting it, and once again, I don't have it yet. Let's look at the performance. Performance for today, total for all accounts. I only traded 3 accounts. I wish I had all of them. But performance today was $4,005. Commission and fees was $225, and the total net P&L for today is $3,780. My trade count, mind you, is 45 trades. My trade count was 45 trades and 45 winning trades. The hit rate at 100%. That's correct. 100% with 45 trades. It's not unusual. Like I said, when you have a skill in the market and you understand the market and you trade objectively in the market, that is what you're going to produce. You're going to produce a high hit rate. I don't go into a market wanting to lose. I don't go into the market thinking I'm going to lose. I don't go into the market accepting that I'm going to lose. I don't go into the market understanding that I can lose. I go into the market with an objective system that I have created and I have passed on to my mentees who are doing well and more to come. I understand the algorithm in the market. I don't know what else to say. I understand the algorithm in the market. And therefore, I teach the traders where the highest probability trade is. That is simplified. I have simplified that process for them. I have simplified that process for them so they can gain a skill in the market that is objective. You can go back 20, 30 years, it doesn't matter. Anyone that says that your strategy will not work over a period of time has a lack of knowledge in the market. I am here to tell you, I am here to back it up, that is not true. That is not true. Whether you like me to say that or not, it doesn't matter. I don't care if you had 40 years in the market. If you understand the algorithm in the market, and you understand how to trade objectively in the market, and you have a systematic approach, no one can dispute that. Period. It is what it is. It's right in front of us. The candles will print over and over and over again. Yes, shapes and sizes, I'm telling you right now, doesn't matter. The algorithm is there to trick you. The algorithm is there to pull you in at the wrong time. The algorithm is there to spit you out when you most need it. I don't know what else to tell you. If you want to learn how I trade on a daily basis, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you one-on-one, and I will tell you to forget everything you learned. That's a fact. There's not one person that I taught, that I mentored, that I didn't say forget everything you learned. Now, if somebody wants to keep something that they learned, then that's not the systematic approach that I'm teaching, okay? Because there are people out there that once you show them how to do it, they automatically in their brain or somewhere think that they came up with this idea or they got it. That's not, people need to understand and figure out where they came from, how they got there, okay? Because I am teaching them a skill. I am teaching my systematic approach to the market. And if they continue to hone in on my systematic approach to the market, they're going to be successful. I believe in that 100%. They have to put in the work. What is the work? Practicing what I teach. Practicing what I teach over and over and over again, and they are going to gain a skill for a lifetime. I am honored. I am blessed by everyone that comes to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I love to see traders succeed. That is my gig. I love to see traders succeed. That's my number one goal. My number one goal is not money. Those traders know I trade. Those traders can see. I am transparent with them. I have nothing to prove because it's an objective trading style. It's not showing you millions of dollars taking a bounce and looking for 10 or 50 pips in the market on an oversized account, 500 to 1. That is not trading. That's called gambling. If you know how to trade, like I know how to trade, and trade objectively in the market, a $30,000 day on a big account isn't shit. I'd be pulling in hundreds of thousands of dollars a day doing the same shit. Okay? Over and over and over again. Leverage, take the leverage out of the equation. Look at the skill. I have told many traders, this is a skill first channel. If you have good behavior, you're going to be rewarded. What's the good behavior? Following the systematic approach that I gave you. Systematic approach that I teach you. Systematic approach that I've showed you. Systematic approach that I have proven to you over and over and over with thousands and thousands and thousands of trades. I don't trade just one trade a month, one trade a week. I trade the market. The market presents, I smack it. It presents again, I smack it again. It presents again, I smack it again. When I get my fix in the market, whatever that might be, I don't have any goals, right? I'm just having fun. Why? Because I can turn off the screen and come back 10, 20 minutes later, an hour later, not trade the day, and have the skill tomorrow. If you want something like that in your life, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will mentor you one-on-one. I wish all of you well. Peace, traders.